Creer. All right. Creer. Yo creo, tú crees, él, ella, usted cree, nosotros, nosotras creemos, ellos, ellas, ustedes creen. And this is talk about beliefs and to give opinions, give your opinions, right? Creer is translated as, usually translated as I think or I believe. To think or believe. Creer. Bien. Creer. Yo creo que Roger Federer es el mejor jugador de tenis de todos los tiempos y no creo que solo importe el número de Grand Slams. Las personas creen que la bandera de Cusco es la bandera de la comunidad LGTBIQ+, cuando la ven por primera vez. La mayoría de los cusqueños son católicos, así que creen en Dios y los santos. So, I think that Roger Federer is the best tennis player of all times. And I don't think that it is only important the number of Grand Slams. The people believe that the flag, the Cusco flag, is the flag of the LGBTIQ plus community when they see it for the first time. So yeah, you can Google la bandera de Cusco in on the internet. Of course, you can Google it, and you will see why people believe that the first time they see it. La mayoría de los cusqueños son católicos, así que creen en Dios y los santos. So most Cusqueños are Catholics, so they believe in God and the saints. Más ejemplos. Mi amiga y yo creemos que nuestras mascotas son como de nuestra familia. My friend and I believe that our pets are like our family. Believe or think. Ella cree que no hay suficiente café y postre para todos. She thinks or she believes that there is not enough coffee and dessert for everybody. Ellos creen en la igualdad de género. They believe in gender equality. ¿Crees en los extraterrestres? Do you believe in aliens? Thank you so much for watching, liking, and subscribing to my videos. That really helps me to create more and better content. I invite you to join the Spanish Language Hub, which is absolutely free. Here, you will have access to several resources, including unedited videos, audiobooks, exercises, flashcards, and regular interaction with me. We will also have Q&A and conversation sessions live on Zoom twice a month. Again, all of this 100% free. I look forward to see you there. Adios.